Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. We're back in the market, continue the talk on the Nasdaq and the S&P, and we take it from last week to this week. After the news, after the speech, we consider a couple of factors within this week. Interest rate is coming on Wednesday. We should take it under consideration. We see how the market slowly respond to the speech, and yet to get determination where we're heading. One thing that I want to touch the subject, of course, I want to say good morning to our Discord community, broadcasting live from our Discord. If you're still not tuned, I highly recommend for you to tune into this community. Completely free, it's a free education. I want to thank those traders that took the special offer last week. I got 5 free courses for free. I hope you enjoy it. We'll talk about it next in this upcoming week, the new special. But for now, let's talk about the Nasdaq. As we can see, as we covered for the last month, the Nasdaq was basically creating a coast to coast, where as our traders say, basically going from a major supply area to a major demand area and bouncing back. And now we see how the price behaves when you reach this supply area, minus supply over here. Taking under consideration that we was in this top before, it was a minus supply. He broke it all the way over here. Buyers were still high and very strong in the pictures, basically passing this green line that we marked about one month ago, going up. And now we still not have fully determination where we're heading. We see the volume is still by the buyers very much strong in the pictures. We want to see how we can take opportunity within the day if it's possible. We're going to go to the 4-hour chart, and we can see basically how the price behaves when it reaches this supply area. We still see an uptrend. We see how the price going creating a rally, etc. Now hits the supply area, and now we have to make a decision. If we have to make a decision by a limit order, of course we're gonna short position it or do nothing. Let's see what's going on within the day. Within the day, we see a couple of opportunities to trade it. Of course, our favorite position would be to long it because we're coming from a major demand area, but we still have to make sure that we're in the supply area. We don't want to take a quick action. Let's check the day and the night profile to see possible positions. So we see how the price behaved from last week, going up right here, and market with an arrow going up, creating a new area to be traded in. So see how this accumulated energy to a bigger move and jumping out a bit above the pool. And within the night, we see how this initial balance right here, if you can see it, I'm gonna expand it. We see this white line initial balance. It's a short initial balance with a short tip, means that the price can definitely reach down and expand downwards, which is very much appropriate to supply area. So if we have to take a position right now, we want a short position it. Why is that? Because we have a short tip right here. We can see it by the night profile. We have a short tip where it's gonna extend to, possibly to this demand 15 minutes demand area or 15 minutes demand area over here. Of course, it's gonna we always gonna try to secure ourselves as much as possible. It means that if I have no choice right now, and I still understand the story, and I'm still understand that I'm in an uptrend, but all means in a supply area, so it's very high likability that the price will within this short tip gonna go down and then bounce back again upwards. So if I need to put any order right now, I would take a long position from this point right here, and we'll see with the help of Fluke chart, see if it's match our description. We see also Fluke chart marked over here, pull for us 15 minutes order blocks. Let's look on the order blocks as well. We have another order block downwards, means that we have a possibility that the price will hit all the way downwards, all the way up to here. We're not going to take this as a block. We're just trying to understand what's going on. We're basically connecting and accumulating all those night and day factors, profiles, and we feel very secure with this in this day to take a position over here from this point. We're just trying to mark this position by the low value area, and we'll see how the price will behave from here. say trying to take it all the way upwards. We have a 15 or $16,000 gain. This is first position from here, risking $750, or of course we'll try to take it even from here downwards. This is a very another possible position from this order block right here. Narrow it down a bit and risking $1,700 and to make $21,000. This is a possible position. As always, you have to keep in mind this is not substitution for financial advice. You should always consult with your financial advisor. We want to understand within the day where possible position can be. Of course, we want to reobserve the price when it reaches all the way down here and down here before we enter a trade. You want to see a validation with the volume and supportive candles. Do not rush to do anything today. Still, there's no full conviction, so if you're not sure about what to do, do not jump in a position right away. Let the price reach those turn points before you enter in a position and observe it well. Do not rush into a position. If you're not sure what to do, there's many other contracts that you can trade today. As a simple example, you can take the cattle contract, which is in an uptrend. It's a very easy trade. We can see how the cattle, let's go to the cattle and just see it over here on the graph in a sec. Just see it over here. It's the feeder cattle. See how the feeder cattle behave in the day interval. It's very easy to see. We're only looking on an uptrend. It's a very comfortable contract to trade today. We see how the tips also behave over here. We have tips over here that still are not full or very short. They can definitely reach up. The day contract is basically shows, day interval shows that basically we're looking on an uptrend. It's a very easy trade from here. You can take easy position of two contract, making 39, almost $4,000. And we make it $4,000 gain and risking only $325, which is amazing ratio. So if you're not comfortable to trade the S&P today or the Nasdaq, this is a very comfortable contract to trade within the day. Of course, we always have to evaluate your risk, and if you're not sure what to do yet, just trade a different contract or just enjoy the day. Do not trade today. This is also a very good opportunity. Not every day is a day to trade. I wish you successful trading, and I see you on the next market overview. Thank you for watching.